Hello students, welcome to the online lecture series of the SDSM College Palghar. I am Vilas sir and today we are going to start a new chapter of the biology. It is a study of animal type cockroach. So let's start the today's lecture. If we talk about the cockroach, so cockroach is the commonly found domestic insect or pest and it is found everywhere, so it is omnipresent. So it is preferred usually found in warm, dark, damp places such as kitchens, storehouse, manholes, etc. And they are nocturnal in nature. That means they are more active in night time and they come out for the feeding. During the daytime, they hide themselves in cracks, crevices, and under the objects, generally in kitchen area, cupboards. Why they are omnivorous? Because the they feed on the food decaying or anything which is consumable, so it is a omnivorous in nature, and they are cursorial in nature because they run more faster, so they having a wings and can fly, but rarely they exhibit their ability to fly with the presence of wings. In India there are three species of cockroaches found. First is the Periplaneta americana, Blatta orientalis, it is oriental cockroach, and the Blatta germanica are more common species found in all over the India. Let's see the systematic position or the classification of the cockroach. Cockroach belongs to the kingdom Animalia, having the phylum Arthropoda. Arthros means the jointed, and the poda means legs. They have jointed appendages. The body is made with the chitinous and segmented. Next is the class. It belongs to the class Insecta, and they possesses two pairs of flight appendages. It is a wing, and three pairs of walking legs. The genus of the cockroach is Periplaneta. Why it is Periplaneta? It has straight wings, nocturnal in nature, chewing type of mouth parts. Next it is a species. It belongs to species Americana because the origin of that cockroach, it is in Mexico, USA. So Periplaneta americana, it is a scientific name of a common cockroach found in everywhere in India. If you see the external morphology or the external structure of a cockroach, the diagram showing that the cockroach is divided into three regions: head, thorax, and the abdomen region. The head consists of chitinous exoskeleton, then the head having the pairs of eyes and pairs of antennas. Then the cockroach are elongated dorsoventrally flattened organism. Their size may vary from 3 to 5 centimeter long in length. The color of cockroach is reddish brown, and they are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, and coelomate animal. Body cavity is known as the hemocoel, and it is filled with the hemolymph. The body of a cockroach is protected by the hard waxy waterproof chitinous exoskeleton, and it is made up with the polysaccharide known as the chitin. It is also helps in providing the surface area for attachment of muscles. In each of the segment, it is further subdivided into four plates, namely dorsal tergum, ventral sternum, and two lateral pleurons. If we turn out the cockroach, as you can see, the ventral region, it is three pairs of legs, and the abdominal region, the upper region of the thorax, it is a prothorax and mesothorax. Then having the foreleg and middle leg, and the tip region of the cockroach, it is a anal circus. So it is, look at the anterior side of a cockroach or the ventral view. The body is divided into the three regions, namely head, thorax and abdomen. The head is oval in shape, flattened, it is a dorsoventrally, and pear shape. It attached at the right angles to the thorax region and by the thin narrow movable neck. Hence the broad end of the directed upwards and narrow end it is directed towards the downward. Head is formed by the six sclerites and it fused in a adult's cockroach and form a head capsule. Head bears four important parts. It is the compound eyes, antennae, fenestrae and mouth parts. Compound eyes are the paired, dark, kidney-shaped structures placed on the lateral side of the head, and it is made up of large number of ommatidia. Ommatidia, it is a magnifying lens which helps cockroach to escape from the enemies, and it is highly maximize or high magnification can be happened in their eyes because of the ommatidium. Each ommatidium acts as a single simple eye and it forms the larger picture or the image inside your brain. So all such image combines together and form in the brain and form the complete blur mosaic image of any objects into the cockroach brain. Antennae are the paired, long, stellar, filamentous and many jointed structure present in between the compound eyes. They are lodged in the membranous pits called as a antennal sockets. These are the receptor or the organ of olfaction. It means it makes sense of smell and it is useful for localizing the food material in their nearby area. Presence of fenestrae on head part, it also called as a ocellular spot situated at the base of antennae and that may appear as a white spot. In the lower region, the presence of mouth part, as you can see in the diagram, it is made up with the four region: upper jaw, lower jaw, side jaws. So upper jaw, it is a labrum, lower jaw, it is a labium, side jaws are mandibles and maxillae, and innermost tongue, it is known as the hypopharynx. Let's talk about the mouth parts or trophy. The mouth parts of the cockroach are of chewing and biting type. These are movable, segmented appendages which assist in ingestion of food. The main mouth part of a cockroach is comprises labrum, mandibles, maxillae, labium and hypopharynx. Labrum or upper lip is a flap-like or shield-like movable structure which covers the mouth part from the upper side, and it forms the anterior wall of the mouth cavity. It is more useful for holding of food during the feeding. Mandibles are true jaws, and which are two dark, hard, chitinous structure with the serrated margins with the teeth present below the labrum on the other side of the mouth. These are useful in cutting and crushing the food material. Next is the maxillae or accessory jaws are paired in appendages situated on the either side of the mouth and behind. Each maxilla is many jointed structure with the maxillae pulp, and these are also called as a first pair of maxillae. Labium or the lower lip is also called as a second maxilla, which covers the mouth from the ventral side, and it is attached to the posterior part of the head. It has a labial pulp also, and it is three jointed, and these are sensory in function. Labium is also used for pushing the chewed food in the cavity, and it prevents the loss of food falling from the mandibles during the chewing. Hypopharynx, it is nothing but the tongue of cockroach and its long, prominent, medially placed appendage. Let's talk about thorax. Thorax is made up of three distinct segments: prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. Dorsally, the thorax bears the two pairs of wings for flight. It is a forewing and hind wings. Forewing are first pair of dark, opaque color, thick leathery wings which are protecting function, where hind wings are thin, broad, membranous, delicate and transparent. Second pair of wings are attached to the tergum at a metathorax region, and these are useful for flight, and hence they are also called as the true wings. These pairs of thoracic legs are present in the ventral side, and each leg is the five jointed and segmented, which is covered with sensory bristles and spines. As you can see in the diagram, each leg has five podomeres known as a coxa. The trochanter, then femur, tibia and tarsus. These are the separate segmented parts. The tarsus, it is a last segment, and it is made up of five movable segments. The last segment of a tarsus bears a pairs of claws or and aeroleum. It is helpful for climbing, and the thorax bears two pairs of spiracles also. So spiracles are generally useful for the respiration purpose. The abdomen of the cockroach is largest, and it divided into three regions and contains the most of the viscera region. It is segmented and conspicuous above the dorsally and ventrally side. The abdomen consists of 11 segments, on which 11th is reduced and fused with 10th. So we can observe that only it has a 10 segments, but actually it is a 11 in number. The dorsally targite, or ventrally it is a sternite. The targites and sternites are connected by the unscleroidized flexible pleura, and the cockroach exhibits sexual dimorphism in it. That means we can easily recognize which is a female cockroach and which is a male cockroach by the presence of anal cerci or circus. Anal circus is present only in males, so which is present at a tip region at the anal region. Let's talk about the body cavity. The body cavity also two coelom and is present around the viscera region because of the open type of circulation in the body cavity, and it is filled with the colorless blood. The blood is present, it is known as a hemocoel, and in the hemocoel the fat bodies are seen, and it is forms of a loose whitish mass of a tissue. The body fat, it is made up of large polygonal cell which contains the fat globules, proteins, and sometimes the glycogen.